Kaz in the spot, what's happening? Kaz in the spot, what's happening? Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Aight. Back in my city, I'm ready for 'em. That ain't my killie, I barely know 'em. Back up the 50, let's get it pong. Follow the soldiers from round the way, tell them stack up the biddies, let's get it gone. Don't hit me up, I'm already gone. Niggas wanna start, I got killers on the mall, so my niggas are ready to slide, 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 slide. My niggas didn't pull up, slide, slide, ayy, slide, ayy, ayy, ayy. Pull up on us if you tryna confirm. If you live and you learn. If you die and it was really your turn. You can take that fire, you can hold that fire. Either way, a nigga letting it burn. Ay, so give that firm. Ay, handy to handle the nerves and gas to fuel the urge. I've been had family across the fence. Cross me one time, take offense. Not the type to make amends. Family ties in rubber bands. Two things fucking up a lot of my plans. I really want smoke, think I'm on jam. Still want dance, think y'all gon' dance. I want chances, I like my things. I like fashion, I like standards. I like standards. Don't hit me up talking backwards. I don't wanna ask who what's it face off. I don't really care, they ain't on my pay stuff. You count this off with a face up. Meanwhile, shawty caked up. The only reason why we link up, the only. I used to call her the homie. That's just pretty ironic, cause she used to call you the homie. Can't right through your girl, I'm sorry. But enough of that, when we double back. Pop, we got 100 back. Cop, we got 100 back. She let me sell and crack. Go. Back in my city, I'm ready for 'em. That ain't my killie, I barely know. I'm ready. Pack up the 50, let's get it pwned. Count up the soldiers, so right away. Stack up the 50, let's get it gone. Don't hit me up, I'm already gone. Niggas wanna start, I got killers on the mall. So my niggas are ready to slide. Ready to slide. I'm ready to slide. Ready to slide. My niggas damn ready to. Whoa. My niggas damn ready to. All my niggas gon' slide. All my niggas gon' slide. All our triggers gon' all your niggas gon' slide. All your killers on. All my bitches on. Insert digging her. Now she's singing her. Call up the C-15s. Take away 5. Shit might get loud. Tell them to meet me at 3:15. Niggas outside. Bring the whole squad. Wait. Hand it over. I ain't even involved. Next day 12 hit on my line. I'm like sorry sergeant. I ain't even recall. Tip a clip. Now he don't even recall. That's him. Walk through the spot. He shot. He point. That's him. Take a faction. Go to a fraction. Cassie in the spot. We can get it cracking. What the fuck is happening? What the fuck's happening? Hacking. Fuck up. Cross the ocean. Cross the angry. Cross the motion. Wet them up like awesome horses. Don't provoking. Cross the Trojans. Toss the lotion. She don't even need it. She don't need a reason. Where you wanna fly to? She gon' need a reason. Who you getting loud to? You might wanna leave it. I'm like 35 deep at all times. You get cocked with the hands on my wall. So he act hard, I'ma give him that. Caveman games on these days. My niggas gone. Let's go. Let's go. My niggas done ready to. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, fuck around if you want to. Me and my niggas like Kurt Cobain. Me and my niggas might hurt your brain. Me and my niggas like Cirque Soleil. Me and my niggas like Berkyo. Pull up on niggas like what you mean. Pulling on triggers like what you mean. Thought it would've told you what's up with me. Bought the whole can in a cup with me. Me and my niggas like Kurt Cobain. Me and my niggas might hurt your dame. Me and my niggas like Merc your brain. Me and my niggas like Cirque Soleil. Pull up on niggas like fuck you me. Pulling on triggers like fuck you me. Thought it would've told you what's okay, okay. You don't really know my life, you don't really know my story, you don't really know my strife, you ain't never seen my scars, you don't really know my flaws, you ain't never seen my heart, only ever know my flaws, you ain't never seen me cry, only ever show my strong, niggas never heard my side, never mind right or wrong, I was with Modi and Kent, little bitch, little bitch, main fair side with a set, little bitch, plus 4 against spent, little bitch, 263 represent, little bitch, cause I would've been caught this shit, quits and gotten up on my day and stayed up out the way if it wasn't for Zodi Zo. If it wasn't for Jody Joe, if it wasn't for Jordy Joe, if it wasn't for Modi Mo, creativity's off in the lonely road. With the Travis, I've been through this rodeo. With the family, was at it Antonio's, getting burgers, just chucking the brainstorm, discussing the way for it, just making a name for us. That support and I ain't gotta pay for it. That's what Kennard was made for, cause I used to have Zodies who never supported shit, just stayed for the benefits. Shout out to Shams for the visual, shout out to Mood cause they get it now. Modi support like a ritual, off the love, off the strength, off the muscle like hamstring. Shit got intense like we camping, so we did us the damn thing. Now little Cassie get chose in that, now I get paid for the shows in that. I do the shit for the Zoes in that, now I perform with no clothes in that, so you can find say where the hoes is at. I do the shit for my brother and them. Can't do no beef with no other man, huh? When I got the spit for my brother and them, huh? Pull out the stick for my brother and them, huh? Tray a whole click for my brother and them, huh? Empty the clip for my brother and them, huh? Kazzy legit for me and my Zodies, huh? It was just 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 me and my Zodies. Sing it with me and my Zodies, huh? It was just 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 me and my Zodies. Hey, if I'm lying, I'm dying. I done been through it all, my nigga. The bigger they think that you are, my nigga. The harder they want you to fall, my niggas. Stay focused and aim for the stars. Cause this might end up on Mars, my nigga. They watching, they hate from afar, my nigga. But keeping the closed tabs like Google Chrome. They coming for you alone, but I'm keeping it calm as a face shell. Can never be rabbit cause this ain't no 8 mile. Fuck on my space shell. Slippery slope when the slithery snakes frown. So I'm gripping the tray pound. Keep me some niggas who make sure I stay sound. Never could break down. I was with Tippy in Cape Town. I mean Josie, that's the Zodi. Curry was there at the same time. Made us a couple of great sounds while I laid on the vocals to lace down. This and the fake clowns. Doggy was barking like great hounds, so we put it to bustin' like great hound. I'm living free as a bird. Know that it's up if it's me and the third. Me and the Zodi just being absurd. Me and the homies you see in the bird. Give me a battle for shits and giggles. Word to my brother, the Don Jovi. Put on a show for shits and giggles. Highlight was meeting the real Zodis. Fucking deal, homies. It was Q in the spot, Moo in the spot. Bet the controller, the 2 in the spot. Tawanda Placebo, the crew in the spot. Noble charisma, begotten and Piney and Dennis. K-Flow and a few in the spot. Hannah, Nye, Stewie, Razzie, Lincoln with Kazzy, Ozuki and Pharaoh. Brought out the motherfucking zoo in the spot. I'm a big dog, the coyotes is tick. That's what the culture's about, niggas pissed off. Blew the whistle and kick. One more. Me and my Zodies, huh? It was just 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 me and my Zodies, me and my